Hey guys, it's Isaac from Krietz Customs. I just want to let you know that we have a new 2020 Jeep Gladiator that's in our Krietz auto inventory. This one just got done being built like 2 days ago, and I'm going to go over the lift, wheels and tires, and some of the features that this Gladiator has. So if you guys like this vehicle, stay tuned to see what we got. To start off with the build, we're going to go over the lift kit, which is a 2.5-inch rough country lift kit. The lift kit does not come with shocks because the Gladiators come with Fox shocks already, so we're not going to have to downgrade or anything like that, or just have rough country shocks left over. So you know that the ride is going to be a lot better than what it could have been. The wheel and tire package is a 22x12 fuel strokes. These ones are with the black millings. The offset on this one is a -44, so you're going to get a nice 4-inch lip on this wheel. So it also brings out the wheel and tire from the fender, which I'm going to show on the back wheel since we have the wheel turned on the front. You can see exactly how far it's sticking out, which is about 2 to 3 inches. I'll just put my hand there. So it's pretty wide sticking out there, which makes it a nice and aggressive look. The tire is going to be a 37-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. We're able to fit a bigger tire because of the new body style and a 2.5-inch lift. The tire is going to be an all-terrain tire, so you're going to have your off-road performance as well as your on-road performance, which gives you nice traction and aggressive look, and also a nice quiet on-road experience. So that's pretty much it for the wheels, tires, and the lift kit, which is our build. And now we're going to take a look at the features of this Jeep Gladiator. So let's go ahead. The very first thing we're going to take a look at is your navigation. I like how Jeep and Dodge has their navigation set up. You have shortcuts for your work, home, and then you go ahead and input where your navigation, like where you're going, or just take a look at the maps, which is a nice feature to just have looking at while you're driving. Next, we're going to take a look at the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. You have your options there for your driver and passenger, as well as the buttons down here for quick access. Another feature I want to go ahead while we're here is look at your backup camera. So you have your lines that as you turn the steering wheel, it'll turn as well. So that's a nice feature to guide you while you're driving or backing up. It also has a front view camera where, as well as if you're turning, it shows you where you're going to be going, where the tires will end up. It also has a clean camera button, so whenever you're driving and gets dirty, you press that, it sprays, and it's clean. I'm also going to talk about how it has auto off, which if you haven't driven a vehicle that has that, at first it can be kind of annoying and just like, why do we have this feature? But my car has that, and I got used to it, and I don't mind it. Actually, when I go to a stoplight, I expect it to turn off, and when it doesn't, I press the brake a little harder to make it turn off. It was another cool feature. Another one that my car and this Gladiator have is adaptive cruise control, which is very nice if you're going on a long commute or just driving on an interstate at all. I kind of just go ahead and set my speed, set it to whatever distance I want to have it, and then I can just sit back and relax a little bit and don't worry about slowing down or speeding up. It takes care of that for you. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how you have control of your front and rear axles. So if you're going off-road, you can turn that on and off whenever, as well as your sway bar control. And you also have auxiliary buttons, so you're not putting any weird Velcro buttons to the side for like light bars or anything like that. If you guys like this vehicle, check it out on our inventory at KreitzAuto.com. It only has 700 miles on it, so it's like new, but you're not paying that like new price tag for it. If you guys already bought a Gladiator and you want to get yours lifted like this one, send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or give us a call. I'll see you guys next time.